Hello and welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Today's video is about insomnia. Insomnia means you can't sleep. I couldn't sleep for many nights. Let's go and see a doctor for help.
Hello. Please, come in. Sit down.
Thank you, doctor.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I'm Dr. Roman. What is your problem? Why are you here today?
I have insomnia. I can't sleep at night.
I see. How many nights?
For 5 nights. I lie in bed, but I can't sleep.
What happens when you try to sleep?
Bad thoughts come into my mind. I think about work, money, everything.
That is very common. Do you drink coffee at night?
Yes, sometimes. Maybe 2 cups after dinner.
Ah, that is not good. Caffeine is bad for sleep. Try no coffee after 4 p.m.
Really? Okay, I will try.
Good. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m., but I watch videos on my phone in bed.
The blue light from your phone is very bad. It tells your brain, wake up. No phone in bed, please.
Oh, no phone. That is difficult.
I know, but try. Read a book instead. A boring book is good.
A boring book? Okay, maybe.
Do you exercise during the day?
No, not really. I am very busy with work.
Even a short walk can help. It reduces stress.
I can try a walk in the evening.
Perfect. Now, about your bedroom. Is it dark and quiet?
It is quiet, but there is a street light. It is a little bright.
Try dark curtains. Darkness is important for sleep.
Okay, I will buy some curtains.
Good. Do you have a routine before bed?
Routine? No, I just go to bed.
A routine tells your body it is sleep time. For example, brush your teeth, wash your face, read for 10 minutes. The same thing every night.
That sounds nice, a sleep routine.
Yes. Now, when you are in bed and can't sleep, what do you do?
I look at the clock every 10 minutes. I think, oh no, it's 2 a.m. I need to sleep.
That is the worst thing. Hide your clock. Do not check the time. It makes more stress.
Hide the clock? Okay, I can try.
If you are in bed for 20 minutes and still awake, get up.
Get up? But I want to sleep.
I know, but go to another room. Do something boring. Read that boring book. When you feel sleepy, then go back to bed.
That is a new idea.
It helps your brain connect the bed with sleep, not with being awake and worried.
I understand.
Do you worry a lot during the day?
Yes, all the time. Work, family, future.
Try a worry time in the afternoon. For 15 minutes, write down all your worries. Then close the book. Tell your brain, I already thought about this. Now it is finished.
Write my worries? That is interesting.
Yes, your mind will be more quiet at night. Now, about food. Do you eat heavy food before bed?
Sometimes I eat a big dinner at 9 p.m.
Try to eat earlier. Your body is busy digesting food. It is not good for sleep.
Okay, earlier dinner. There are many things to remember.
Don't try everything at once. Start with one or two things. Maybe no coffee after 4 p.m. and no phone in bed this week.
Okay, that is easier. I can do that.
Great. Also try a relaxing sound, like rain sounds or white noise. It can block other noises.
I have an app for that. I will use it.
Perfect. And be patient. Your sleep will not improve in one night. Give it time.
Thank you, doctor. You helped me a lot.
You are welcome, Lily. Here is a paper with these tips. Just remember, good sleep is very important for your health.
I will read it. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily. I hope you sleep well tonight.
So, that was our dialogue about insomnia. I hope you learned some useful phrases. How do you deal with insomnia? Please write your tips in the comments below. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Everyday Dialogue for more conversations. See you in the next video. Goodbye.